Hi folks. Okay, so today I'm actually starting on the guest bathroom. I'm going to primer these blue walls. I'm going to paint the gray wall a little bit lighter gray color, I believe. And then I also have some wallpaper that I'm going to put in here, I think. So join me. This is definitely going to be more than a one-day project, but join me here. So without any further ado, let's get started. Just to give you some context of what we're doing, the floors are pristine, so we're not going to even need to touch those. But I am going to have to do these walls and change the light and the mirror. So stay tuned. So here's the objective. I've got the area taped off that I'm going to primer today, and hopefully I make it through. This is probably going to be a 3-day project, but no more delays. It's time to get started. Now I'm going to finish up with this final wall back here, but I'm going to save the top part for my husband because I'm a little height challenged. He's not. So I'll leave that for him to do. And this might be done a little bit sooner than I thought. Yay. So as you can see, I've got a lot of it done. The top part, like I said, my husband is going to come through here and finish that up. But I'm pretty pleased. And this took no more than, I'll say, it took less than an hour. Yeah, less than an hour.
Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come.
Okay, so it's day 2, and I need to go into Lowe's so I can buy some paint for the upstairs bathroom. Now, I may also look at the faucets and shower heads because I need that as well. But I did check online. I didn't see what I wanted, so we'll see what we find when we're in there. So, not really a fan of shopping in the stores. I'm more of a point and click type of chick. So let's go. Lowe's does have the capability of mimicking a color if you give them a sample of what you're looking for. So I know I have my sample somewhere. I thought I have my sample. I have my sample. Okay, so all the while I was thinking I needed something in a light blue, and it turns out I probably want to look closer towards the seafoam colored green, which is the one in the middle. So I'm going to think on it. I'm going to walk around on a couple of aisles, which I said I wasn't going to do because I know I'm going to end up spending more than what I came in here to get. But we'll think on it and come right back. Head towards the lighting department because I am going to need some lighting fixtures above. So let's head over. We're almost there, folks. We're almost there. And this is where it's going to get dangerous for you, girl, because I might come home with all kind of stuff. Who knows? But I love Lowe's. One thing I probably should mention is that I'm not trying to find something that's too trendy because I don't want it going out of style before I finish my bathroom or the rest of the house. So something really cute. And I think I may have found it. Wow. This is interesting. So I'm going to show you in just a moment. They have the style of light that I want. And then you pick, and I'm going to just turn this around a little bit. You actually get to pick the glass or the cover that you want for the for the actual glass. For the actual light. So who could be happier about that than me? Okay, so the style of lighting that I'm going for is just over here. So it's kind of the 3 bulb. I may want an angle on it. Not really sure, but I am going to go for a matte black fixture. Okay, I found it. What do you think? Well, you have to see it when it gets on the wall, but this is definitely the one I'm going to get. So now we can go back for the reason that we're here, for the paint. So it might be a little simplistic, but this is going to be the cover that I'm going to use for each one of the light bulbs. So I'm excited to see what this is going to look like, but that'll make me get this bathroom finished a lot faster because this is going to be the last thing that I put in place. Actually, the next stop is going to be faucets because I can't get great light fixtures without getting a faucet that complements the lights or lights that complement the faucet. So let's see what we find. Hit pay dirt. We found all the faucets. Now, hopefully I can find the one that I'm actually looking for. And I do want to find a matching shower head and nozzle to match. So wish me luck. Oh boy, we're getting close to the end of the aisle and I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. But I do actually have a faucet that I found online. I'm going to have to look and see who makes it and where I can find it. But here's a sample of it. So I may have found something that I kind of like in the event I don't find the one that I saw online. So this Moen might be an option for me. We'll see. Okay, so here are the facts. I actually picked up the Moen faucet, put it in the cart, started having second thoughts because I really don't want to chop and piece this bathroom together. I want to get all of the fixtures together that match. Well, they don't have to be together, but I want the ones that match. So I'm just going to wait. Let's go back to paint. Okay, so here's what happened. I'm actually looking at this vanity here, this one right here, for the half bath. And I thought I normally carry a tape measure in my purse, but I took it out, obviously. And so I didn't have it to measure, but I have dental floss. So I actually just carried the length, checked the length of the faucet, then made it into the dental floss length, and hopefully this works when I get back home. So now I'm going back over to paint. Okay, so I actually have the Ovation. It's the interior semi-gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and give this to the rep to mix up with the colors that I prefer. And we're out of here, folks. Halfway home, we got the Dreamy Cloud paint, and I'm ready to check out. So we're going to find out what the damage is now. So hopefully I'm going to say 200. I came in here to spend 50, and if I get out of here with under $300, I've done really well for myself. So let's see what the damage is, and then we'll be back working on that bathroom. 154.85. So I'm way under budget now. So that means when I find that faucet, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more.
Well, friends, I made it back home and I'm in the safety of my garage and I'm out of Lowe's, so I know my husband's happy about that. One of the things I want to mention to you is when you're working on a larger project, make yourself a to-do list. And from that to-do list, make yourself a list of the items that you're going to need to purchase. And do your homework online, shopping at various stores to find which store is going to give you the better price. Also, decide whether or not you're going to pay cash or use credit. I decided that I'm not going to do anything on credit because we have really tried to zero out our credit during the pandemic. So I don't want to go down that road again. So make sure that your budget is realistic. Shop online or shop before you pay, and be happy with the choices that you've made. So I'm going to go upstairs and start on this upstairs guest bathroom, and join me again next time on Sherry's DIY Secrets. Bye, friends. See you soon.